sometimes it shines. Life goes up and down in lines. I take a breath, I feel the ground. The sweetest peace is what I found. Everyday rain, everyday sun, everyday life, just roll it on. Everyday rain, make the colors run. Still I rise when the morning comes. Raindrops tapping on my window pane, whisper songs to ease my brain. The clouds may cry, but I don't mind. Jah give the water to cleanse mankind. Everyday rain, everyday sun, everyday life, just roll it on. Everyday rain, make the colors run. Still I rise when the morning comes. Let it fall, let it fall, wash away my fear. Let the rhythm of the storm draw me near. Every drop is a blessing, clear and pure. Life keeps flowing, that's for sure. Children laughing in the open sky, barefoot dancing, they don't ask why. Nature's rhythm beats in every lane. Love is growing in the everyday rain. Everyday rain, everyday sun, everyday life, just roll it on. Everyday rain, make the colors run. Still I rise when the morning comes. Rain come down, wash my soul. Reggae keep me warm and whole. Everyday rain, oh, everyday rain. Walking down the street in the pouring rain, you hold my hand and I feel no pain. Raindrops falling, the world slows down. Your laughter's the sweetest sound in town. Umbrella blues, but I'm feeling fine. I got you close and the rhythm's mine. Storms may come and the skies may cry, but love keeps shining in your eyes. Your hair's all wet, but your smile still bright, like sunshine breaking through the night. No thunder loud could break our tune. We danced together under the monsoon. Umbrella blues, but I'm feeling fine. Got you close and the rhythm's mine. Storms may come and the skies may cry, but love keeps shining in your eyes. Let the rain fall, wash away the gray. Every drop's a song that wants to play. Baby, when you're near, the clouds drift away. You turn my rainy world today. Barefoot puddles laughing free, you and the rain in harmony. Every beat of the drops we feel, reggae love, pure and real. Umbrella blues, but I'm feeling fine. Got you close and the rhythm's mine. Storms may come and the skies may cry, but love keeps shining in your eyes. Umbrella, oh my shelter sweet. Raindrops dancing to a heartbeat. Umbrella blues, but my soul complete. Oh yeah. Morning drops are tapping on my window pane. Coffee steam rising, I don't feel no pain. Got my old guitar, let the rhythm play. The rain is just a beat in my day. Let it rain, let it rain. I'm still moving slow. Sun behind the clouds, still got that glow. Let it rain, let it rain. It's a natural show. Every drop's a tune in my soul. Flip-flops splash on the concrete floor. Neighbors singing through the open door. Sky so gray, but my mind so clear. Jah give the rain to bless us here. Let it rain, let it rain. I'm still moving slow. Sun behind the clouds, still got that glow. Let it rain, let it rain. It's a natural show. Every drop's a tune in my soul. No need to run, no need to hide. Every storm got a groove inside. Feel the rhythm, feel it true. Rain just wants to dance with you. I see the colors when the puddles shine. Nature's painting line by line, so I keep smiling, feeling fine. Rainy day groove, that vibe is mine. Let it rain, let it rain. I'm still moving slow. Sun behind the clouds, still got Sky is gray, but my heart is gold. Stories of rain that I've been told. Wash away the dust, make me new. Every drop brings life and truth. Smile through the cloudy morning. Life keeps the music flowing. Rain falls, the world keeps growing. Reggae keeps my soul glowing. Smile through the cloudy morning. Life keeps the music flowing. Rain falls, the world keeps growing. Reggae keeps my soul glowing. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh. People rushing, trying to stay dry, but I just breathe, I let time fly. In every storm there's a song to find, a little light inside my mind. Smile through the cloudy morning. Life keeps the music flowing. Rain falls, the world keeps growing. Reggae keeps my soul glowing. Smile through the cloudy morning. Life keeps the music flowing. Rain falls, the world keeps growing. Reggae keeps my soul glowing. Oh, Jah, you paint the sky in gray to show the sun a brighter way. Even when the clouds stay long, your rhythm keeps me strong. Children playing in the rain again, singing laughter through the pain. The world may cry, but I still sing. Blessings fall in everything. Smile through the cloudy morning. Life keeps the music flowing. Rain falls, the world keeps growing. Reggae keeps my soul glowing. Smile through the cloudy morning. Life keeps the music flowing. Rain falls, the world keeps growing. Reggae keeps my soul glowing. Smile, my brother, smile, my friend. Every storm will find its end. Let the rhythm heal your style. Keep that cloudy morning smile. Oh, yeah. Oh, city lights on the water shine. Taxi horns keeping steady time. People rush, but I stay slow. Let the puddles show me where to go. Puddles on the street, reflection of my soul. Rain comes down, but I'm in control. Skanking through the storm, I feel whole. Reggae rhythm keeps me roll. Umbrellas bloom like flowers white. Footsteps dance from side to side. The sky may cry, but I still grin. Never drops a beat within. Puddles on the street, reflection of my soul. Rain comes down, but I'm in control. Skanking through the storm, I feel whole. Reggae rhythm keeps me sunshine anyway. Old man smiling at the corner store, little kids splashing by the door. The city sings in a reggae tone. Every puddle feels like home. Puddles on